the DG NIGDA, ably represented by our own Dr. Lawa, fellows of Nigerian Computer Society here present, NEC members here, stakeholders from the industry, public, academics, and even in the diaspora. On behalf of the President of Nigerian Computer Society, the biggest body, the umbrella of all IT practitioners in Nigeria, Nigerian Computer Society, no other person, Professor Simon Adesina Sodia, fellow Nigerian Computer Society. I want to pause again, tender his all-reserved apology for not being with us. Like the Executive Secretary has rightly said, I think there's a meeting with professionals, with the President of Nigeria in Abuja, and I think that takes precedence. But he promised to join us as soon as they leave the villa today. Today's meeting is so strategic, and I think there won't be any other better time for this meeting other than now. Nigeria as adopter of technology, we are just adopting new technologies. I think sustainability should be of great concern. And why cybersecurity is becoming more popular, why the area is becoming more demanding, is because of that ubiquitous computing opportunity, that we are growing networks, that we are not limiting sharing, that we don't want to limit to the extent to which we can share information and resources, that we want our network to keep expanding, that we don't want to, the net-centric computing has come to stay, that we cannot afford to be crawling when the whole world is moving at a very fast pace. Not keying into the internet banking is not a solution to get yourself secure with regards to your banking transaction. Because some people say, I will not go near it. Because internet banking, you can be defrauded. So the argument is that we are not going to jettison the net-centric computing. We are going to key in because we cannot afford to be crawling when the whole world is moving at a very fast pace. If we want to key into net-centric computing, we want to even increase the size of the network, then we should be prepared for the security challenges that come with this. And I think today, we want to prepare our mind that we, at the end of this stakeholders meeting, what is our target? I think the DG is here with us. We want to come up with information in terms of communicate from different stakeholders in our midst that will lead to a kind of policy for this country, because we cannot sustain technological development without taking care of this particular area, because we have a lot of issues beyond technical. Because I know many organizations, we should share our experience here, and I think that's why we call it stakeholders meeting. There are many organizations that will procure intrusion detection system. They will procure for procuring sake, and it will expire without achieving anything from that solution. I don't want to mention names, because I will have used some organization as example. It's beyond procuring ideas. Of course, when you even take IDS data on its own, it's just like a data that you cannot read anything. You need to mine this data. You need to analyze it, so that will create your preparedness for possible threats. So we need a kind of ethical preparation towards combating cybersecurity challenges. I was in the UK 2014 at Imperial College, to be precise. That is where we are going. I want to appreciate our partners, both in the diaspora and also in Nigeria, because this should be a recurring thing. This meeting should not just be a one-time meeting, because until we get there, because we are not there. That's why I want to sign this scenario.